Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. I'm excited this morning to bring you the piece I made for my monthly collab video. Through Deb Hook, we have a collab, myself and other wonderful makers, and we do a piece each month with certain stipulations. This month, we had to do peach, okay, and then there were two other choices that we could use. We could use the color rose gold, and then a flower theme, like a floral print or a floral theme, I believe it was. So this is what I came up with. This is my take on everything. So this is called Peach Citrine. This is very kind of pale color. I hope it shows up on the camera, but it's really pretty. Pale peach color, great for springtime. And what I did was add some charms. So I had a heart charm there. I thought that color, almost like copper, would match the peach. And then I made some charms. One of the charms, let's see, I think maybe this one will show up better on my hand perhaps. So I put little rose gold colored daisy spacer beads in between two pieces of the peach. Two beads of the peach citrine, and I made a little charm, kind of a little dangle to hang off of it, cluster or a little charm there. So that's what I put there. And on the other end, I really hope you can see that one. It's flowers. So I have my flower and my little piece of rose gold in between, and then another flower at the end. So I just have some charms dangling off of my bracelet. I used it with stretch cord, and let's see, stretch cord, the daisy spacers, the little flowers, my little heart charm there, the peach citrine, and I used a little glue to secure everything. And I like it. I think it's pretty, pretty, pretty. I have to go in my closet now and find something to match it, so I can wear my pretty bracelet today. Well, I hope you like it, and I can't wait to see what our color is next week. I haven't peeked ahead. Don't forget to watch all of the other creators. I'm gonna make sure I have all of their information in my description below. Don't forget to watch the other ladies' videos. Thank you so much. But please look at the other things I've done through, let's see, from January up until April. And this is the piece for May. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, I make weekly content. I make other videos where I show you actually, go through the steps of many different pieces. So feel free to watch my content, like and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.